Ladies and gentlemen, and food lovers of all ages, today we are making something that will knock your taste buds into next week. Lahesuni Methi. That's right, garlicky, buttery, and absolutely drool-worthy. Let's be real. Methi is that underrated green leafy hero. It's healthy, flavorful, and makes you feel like a master chef if you don't mess it up. And this taste, it's got garlic, ghee, and spices. So basically, it's love on a plate. Smells fresh, but we need to clean this up unless you like eating dirt. Totally up to you. I'm taking one bunch of methi here. Separate fresh methi leaves from the stems. Simply hold the stem with one hand and gently pluck the leaves with the other. Wash the methi leaves 3 to 4 times. If you are washing methi and still see dirt, congratulations, you now have an exfoliating face scrub, multi-purpose cooking at its best. Now comes the star, garlic. The more, the merrier. If you love vampires, add less. If you want to keep them far, smash these bad boys in. I have 12 cloves of garlic. Most will go in curry and will be saving some for garnishing. If you're not obsessed with garlic, I don't know if we can be friends. Ghee and oil together, because why not? Life is too short for just one. I have here 2 tablespoons of ghee and 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. In heated oil, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed followed by chopped garlic. Chop some green chilies as per your taste. This smell should be bottled and sold as perfume. EAUD garlic coming soon. And now time to add green chili. Patience, my friend. This isn't instant noodles. It's gourmet cooking. Chop the leaves in tiny pieces. Now add the leaves in the pan and cook it for about 10 minutes at low heat. Now add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now let the spices infuse in it. Now for the grand finale, cream, because everything is better when it's creamy, right? Forget cream, we are going full desi gourmet. This nutty paste is the secret to the rich creamy texture without the guilt. I have 2 to 3 tablespoons of peanuts, 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted chana and 2 tablespoons of sesame seed. Roast them all. And now mixing some water, grind it in fine paste. Look at that. It's like nature's own creamy delight. Nutty, rich, and oh, so satisfying. And now time to introduce the creamy paste to the curry. Mix it well and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes at low heat. And now here your flavorful curry is ready to serve. If you thought Lahesuni Methi couldn't get better, this just took it to another level. Now heat 2 teaspoons of ghee and add 1 dry red chili and chopped garlic in it and cook it until garlic is golden brown. And now add the tadka onto the curry. Smells so good. Today I will have it with the pita bread. You can either have it with the roti, paratha, puri or any bread. Now we have everything is ready. Let's plate it. Now the moment of truth. If happiness had a flavor, it would taste just like this. Alright foodie fam, try this Lahesuni Methi and let me know, did you fall in love with garlic all over again? Hit like, comment, share and subscribe for more amazing recipes. See you in the next one. Keep cooking, keep rocking.